head on. Alright, I'm just making this. A couple reasons. I haven't made a video in I don't know how long. I basically wanted to tell you guys. I wanted to show you. Now that is tiny compared. That thing was as big as a football, as big as a basketball. I can't really pull myself over too much further. I'll hurt myself. But I'm still dealing with this. Still dealing with my eye. My knee still hurts. I mean, my shoulder. Some of the suture things have. I don't even know if you can see them or not. I can't tell if you can see them. But the ones start falling off today. The one in the back started to fall off. So that's a good sign. I got them taken out a few weeks ago. Yeah, I just wanted to show you that. I am doing better. My physical therapy people said I'm doing great. Occupational therapy. I still have people coming. Oh, okay. I wanted to show that. And, well, I don't know if it was Mac. I forget it. It was either Mac or KJB. I forget. One of you guys didn't believe me. Hold on one second. Alright, I tried to go back into the mode of having a screen and then a screen with me, a little piece of me down at the bottom. So screen and video, but I couldn't do it. So I'm just going to end this here. I showed you this. Disgusting. But I'm okay. I'll live, I guess. They said I should. They said that.
I truly appreciate Bill Bean, and I fully believe.
They said if I came the next day, May 4th or whatever, I was dead. I'd have been dead. So, all right, that's enough of that. All right, I'm gonna come back with the second video.